Hey guys, this is Emerald Fire. Welcome to the tutorial for my AFK Mining Machine for 1.15 and 1.16. If you haven't seen the showcase already, check the description for a link to that video. To build this, you'll need everything you see in this chest, in the numbers you see here. We'll start by building the TNT Blast Shield. Put this block of obsidian where you want the bottom of the drill to be. From there, go down one and up one, put a cobblestone block. Over to the side, put an obsidian, go up 3, and put 1 out to the side. On the other side, put another obsidian and go up 3, put 2 cobblestone here, and 1 more obsidian here. Finally, put a block of cobblestone up to and over to for the TNT launcher to hit off of. Next, we're going to add the floating water. This is possible because of a bug showed by Myron Erio, where if you retract a piston that can't pull a slime block, it won't cause any block updates. To start, put a lever here, turn it on, and put pistons here, here, and here. You can get rid of this, put another piston here, then put slime blocks like this. 1 more piston here. We'll turn on this piston and this piston. Now we'll put in the glass pane and waterlog it. First, retract this, put another slime block here, then retract this one and this one. Update these pistons here. Break this first. Now break everything else. And there you have it, floating water. Since this does rely on a bug, if this ever gets fixed, you can just replace this with obsidian. You'll lose a little more items this way as they land on this platform, but overall it's a very small percentage, less than 2%. Now we're going to build the water collection system. From your floating water, dig down 1 block and on the ground dig out 4 blocks in each direction, like so. In the last row here, dig out another block down. And this is where you're going to put your hopper to collect your items. Over here, place water here, and then along the back wall, fill that with water as well. Now you're going to go out to the side 2 more blocks like this, place another water here, and clear out this here. Same thing on the other side. Water here, clear out this. Now, you're going to come over here to the edge of the obsidian and, starting from the floating water, dig down in the ground and remove these 5 blocks here, replace them with slabs, and waterlog them. This is to prevent any gravel from falling down and destroying the water or blocking the flow. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, from the floating water to the edge of the obsidian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slabs, and waterlog. Now we build the drill. Start off below this cobblestone block here. Place any block, observer, sticky piston, 4 blocks of honey, sticky piston, 2 blocks of either slime or honey, glazed terracotta, an observer, redstone lamp, another observer, another sticky piston, and 3 more blocks of either slime or honey. Up here, place your glass block and an observer. Now we're going to add the minecart. Punch out this honey block here, and on this block put a rail, a minecart, break the rail, put any full block here to align the minecart. Over here we're going to put a piston, honey block, button, done. We'll start by building the bottom and left of the unloader. Underneath the redstone lamp, place a cobblestone block. It has to be cobblestone because it's in range of the TNT. On top of that, place redstone, a block here, another block here, and we're going to put a repeater on max delay to power the unloader for the bottom of the drill. Piston here. Now we're going to put a door here to send the signal upward, like so. An observer on top of that, and a block with a repeater on max delay. And we're going to send the power over to the left side with a torch here. Place a block like so, and now 2 more like this. On those, we're going to place 2 torches. Underneath this one, we're going to put a redstone line to the regular pistons and place them up like this. Then we're going to turn those off so we can place our sticky pistons over here. 1 and 2. Now finally, you'll want to put some slabs underneath here and here to catch any falling gravel. Now, when you open and close the door, you should see this. Next, we'll do the top and right of the unloader. Start with a redstone lamp here, observer, block, and underneath we're going to put a piston for the top of the drill. Over here, put some redstone dust going out to a sticky piston and 3 slime blocks like this. Put our sticky pistons here, and we'll put an observer pointing into the side of this slime block. On the other side, we'll have glazed terracotta, a repeater, 2 ticks coming out, 1 tick going in. Place some blocks like this. Put an observer underneath here, 2 redstone dust on top. Put regular pistons here and here. Back on top, we're going to put a repeater on max delay, a block with a redstone torch, and a sticky piston to update this observer here. Now, when you open the door, you should see this. The last thing we need to do is build the TNT Duper. Put a block down here and here, put a repeater here on max delay, put glazed terracotta here, and this will be our on-off switch. Turn it off for now. Put a torch with a block, redstone dust, sticky piston here, and slime blocks in this pattern. Put a block here, and we're going to put blocks here to align the TNT when it's shot out, like so. Now we're going to put our minecart on a detector rail here with a cobblestone wall to hold it in. Put any dead coral fan on this block here. Put your TNT here. And finally, put an observer here to trigger this piston to send off the tunnel bore. It's ready to go. Before you turn on this lever, make sure that these slime blocks are out here and not on the piston, because it has to be for the piston to push this away. When you're ready, turn on the lever. The drill will go off. TNT won't duplicate on the first time, but you should see that now the TNT is in this budded state below the minecart. So if you were to turn it off and fire it again, TNT will drop and duplicate. One last thing to mention is that the machine we just built makes use of 2 bugs in Minecraft, the floating water and the TNT Duper. If those get fixed in later versions, you can replace the floating water with an obsidian block like that, and you can replace the TNT Duper with this piston here that pushes an observer into this dispenser filled with TNT, and you can hook this up to a hopper and chest to fill it up with more TNT. Well, that's all for this video. The world download's in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.